of course, this Tour Championship, the one that Judd Trump does not have in his collection.
Like yourself and everyone watching, can't wait to see how this final is going to pan out. First blood to Judd Trump.
Foul.
Only
One top prize.
Six. $13. 14. $19.
Judd Trump, I think, will be paying close attention
20.
early on. He'll know how Xintong has played in this championship so far, and he knows the task at hand. But it is different once you see it in the flesh, and you get a feeling of just how well this fella strikes the cue ball.
27.
Yeah, the figures this week, extraordinary from Zhao Xintong. Of course, he's won 2 matches to get to this final, 20
28.
frames. He's made 18 50-plus breaks, including 6 centuries. Virtually every time he gets in amongst the balls, he's winning the frame in the single visit.
35. 36.
Let's see if he considers opening the 4 together. Yeah, wait it out for the time being. It's not
43.
that clean cut, just checking the bottom red of the 4 or a plant. The right corner. If not, he's going to have to shift them.
44.
But I don't think he's going to be doing it from there.
$50. 51.
Well, that cue ball travelled on just a fraction further than he would have liked. Can he just nip into this, make contact with the 4? Well, played it to the corner. That's okay.
56.
One more red to negotiate here.
We might be about to find out whether he truly does play the scoreboard. A lot of top players have suggested not in recent times, but of course red-black goes 6 to 8, so no need to stub the 4 together. But the way he plays, I wouldn't be surprised if he played the split.
Thank you.
We'll find out now. Well, I suppose he has to. The black's a virtual certainty now. Played that
57.
so nicely.
So just looking for the one more
64.
red to keep Judd Trump in his seat. And as we creep just close to the 7-minute mark in this frame, he's numerically over the line, but Judd Trump
Zhao Xintong,
will get back
64.
involved now.
Yeah, he's got to be careful. He'll be aware, as inexperienced at the absolute top level he actually still is. He'll be aware that he can't afford to leave Judd a red-black and be doing his best to avoid leaving anything for Judd. Mainly because that yellow is in such an inviting position. For Judd, that is.
Both players came through their semi-finals without exerting too much energy. Very comfortable.